to Super Mario Plush the show to go see Duckman. What do you mean? My Duckman's not red. No. Duckman's a pretty gross, is it? Guys, what do you mean? Mario. Hello, buddy. It's Garfield. So scary. What do you mean? Garfield is not right there. He's behind us. He's trying to go eat me. Mario, Garfield eat you? No. It's not good right now. It did Emperor to eat you, and I will eat you. I was sure you were talking about now. What in the world? What are you doing? What do you supposed to be in my own the world? But what are you doing now, Plush? Yeah, and you're gonna do something. What you do that? Oh no. I'm just asking you. I was to Super Mario Plush the show to hit subscribe my new show. Absolutely is good. So I want to subscribe it. Mario! What? Look, Dogman. I don't see Dogman. I see fake, bro. No, Dogman's right there, buddy. I don't know. Hey, Mario, you think it's I don't know. No, go look. Mario, you and me about something an hour today. This is Squire. Welcome to Super Mario Plush the show. This is Squire. So when the Super Mario Plush the show. Mario. Shut up. Ow. We done this. I see Duckman right there. What do you mean? Or Duckman? No, I'm just asking you. I was asking you, what in the Duckman world you read days? Oh. Make another drum video. Just subscribe. Yes. No. I say no. I want to make this camera together to go with the drum. Hurry up. Garfield, look, the stream behind the light. There's something when the light comes from. No, Garfield, it's right over there. It's behind us. What is that stray light? It's behind the light. That is what is something strange.